Alright, so here's the finished video. We haven't opened up the ARB 2000 awning yet, but it's mounted. We have Thule racks up there, and this is how we decided to bolt the ARB brackets to the Thule rack. We have it facing down. I think most of the videos had the bracket facing up, but to get to my cargo box, I faced it down, and then obviously you see there's this gap here. So what I did by the tent also, so when the tent isn't going to be completely flush, there's going to be a little bit of air gap, so I'm going to have to improvise with some other material to maybe stop the mosquitoes from coming in. And what else did I do? And then I drilled the 3 holes in the top. These 2 holes, I put Loctites on them. You can see the red color. This here, I did not put any Loctite because I already pushed these bars in. It was too late, but they're not coming anywhere. But anyways, I pushed this Thule all the way towards the bracket, so you can't put a wrench to take off this bolt, so it makes sure that making the bracket has to stay. So the only way to take this awning out is to take these 3 bolts and it'll come out. Those 3 bolts that's on the awning side. So now I have to figure out how to keep this thing onto this car for security measures, because it's parked in the street all the time. So one possibility is to weld stainless steel so we can't take it out, or I have to build something to keep this from staying there, or just take it on and off whenever I use it. So those are my options. So you've seen many videos that when you open it up, you put the tent on, and I'm sure it's going to work. But this video is more interested in installing it. Alright, thanks for watching. Last few more screws and we'll be all done. And so I decided to center the awning to the middle of the door, because when I put the tent on, that's where it's going to go. And that will help with the little shade if the baby sits in the front here, and the shade covering that. And the fact people, because this is a conversion van, there's a bed that you see back there. And that's that.